I did a poll on my community tab asking you guys, what is your favorite Navy Federal credit card? And 40% of people stated that the Navy Federal More Rewards is their favorite Navy Federal credit card, and that's mine too. But some people were stating that that's going to be the next card that they apply for, and then some people stated that they're waiting to see what the special offers are. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about what are the new special offers for the Navy Federal credit cards. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, I'm Tasha with the Major Change Group, where we believe small changes can create big results. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. We talk about credit, budgeting, and student loans. Well, I would say for last month, the Navy Federal special offers, I don't know that they were as good because it seems like they were really wanting people to do balance transfers. Well, the new special offers, I would say they're pretty good. I would say the most thing that they're really offering is low interest rates. So I want to say for the Navy Federal Flagship, I think you can get 1.99% interest for 6 months, but we're going to talk about it. So first, we're going to actually start with the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card, and I'm going to go over to my laptop. Let's get started. All right, we're looking at the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card, and right now they have a $200 cashback bonus when you spend $2,000 within the first 90 days. Now we know that if you have direct deposit, you can earn 1.75 on the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card, but if you don't have direct deposit, then you can still get 1.5% cash back. And I really like it. It has a 0% annual fee. Interest rates are 9.65 to 18%. And I really like this credit card. I will say, if you get approved for this credit card, I would look to see, okay, first decide what credit card do you want? Do you want to get the Visa Signature or do you want to get the World MasterCard? If you are approved for the opposite of what you wanted to get approved for, then I would just go ahead and call as soon as you get approved so that you can get the credit card that you want, because you don't want to fall into the same situation that I did where I called maybe like midways in and then I got them to send me the opposites, because I had originally got approved for the Visa Signature, but I really wanted the MasterCard. So that's just my FYI, so you don't make the same mistake I did. So next, we're going to look at the Navy Federal Flagship credit card. And if you spend $3,000 within the first 90 days, you get 30,000 bonus points, which is equivalent to $300. And you can get 1.99% interest rate for the first 6 months, but then after that it's 9.99 to 18%. Now this credit card is the only credit card that has an annual fee of all of the Navy Federal credit cards, and you can earn 3 times the points on travel, 2 times the points on everything else, and you can also receive a statement credit of up to $100 for the global entry or the PSA pre-check. So I really like this one. This was my first credit card that I got, and I really like it. Next, we're going to talk about the Navy Federal Go Rewards credit card. This is a credit card that sometimes I think people be sleeping on, but right now you can earn 15,000 points if you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days. You can also get 0.99 intro APR for 6 months, and then after that it's a variable APR of 8.99 to 18%. You get 3 times the points on restaurants, 2 times the points on gas, and then 1 times the points on everything else, and no annual fee on this credit card. So I really like this. Now next, we're going to take a look at the Navy Federal Platinum credit card. This credit card has a 0 annual fee on it, and what they're saying is you can transfer non-Navy Federal balances within 60 days of getting the Platinum credit card, and you'll pay 0% interest for the first 12 months. After that, you get a variable interest rate of 5.99 to 18%. And you won't pay any balance transfer fees, which is amazing because for the most part, let's say with Chase and Discover, Bank of America, with a lot of the other credit card companies, you usually have to pay between a 1 and 5% balance transfer fee depending on what the balance is. So I think that that's really great if you have credit cards that have high interest rates outside of Navy Federal. Then get this credit card and do a balance transfer. So next, last but not least, we have the Navy Federal More Rewards credit card. You can earn 20,000 bonus points, which is equivalent to $200 when you spend $2,500 within the first 90 days. There's no annual fee on this credit card, which is amazing. The interest rate is between 9.65 to 18%. You can get 3 times the points on groceries and food delivery, 3 times the points on restaurants, 3 times the points on gas and transit, and then 1 times the points on everything. So of course, this is a More Rewards credit card. This is my favorite credit card. This is like my daily driver. I love this credit card. I will suggest, if you are considering applying for any credit card, if you have the option to do the pre-qualification, I would really suggest doing a pre-qualification because what it is just a soft pull on your credit report just to see, okay, do you pre-qualify? How's your credit score and all that kind of stuff? And it's not going to affect your credit score. So I think that's good because let's say if you're not really keeping up your credit score and you don't know what's all on there, you really don't want to be applying for credit cards with the probability of getting denied. And so that's why I would suggest doing a pre-qualify in that case. Additionally, just because you pre-qualify, it doesn't necessarily 100%. Of course, they can't tell you 100% that you will be approved because there are a lot of different things that it goes along with it. Because let's say that you have applied for a Navy Federal credit card within the last 90 days or a little bit less than 90 days, then you're going to be denied, even though your credit is good and all that kind of stuff. So you really have to take a consideration into those things. And that's really with any credit card company. What are the qualifications that you need to be able to get approved for that credit card? So if you don't meet those, then I wouldn't apply. But if you know that you have good credit and all that kind of stuff, then I would apply. And maybe I wouldn't do the pre-qualification because when I had applied for the Navy Federal Flagship, I didn't do the pre-qualification, but that's because I knew that my credit was good. But I think by the time I had applied, maybe for the cash rewards, even though I knew my credit score was good, I just went ahead and did the pre-qualification. And I know when I applied for the American Express credit card, I did do the pre-qualification because I wanted to know. And I did get approved for the credit card that I wanted. So I would say it doesn't hurt for you to do that. Let me know, what do you think about Navy Federal special offers? I mean, of course, I think that they could be a little bit better, but I do think that having the low interest rates, I mean, I think that that's pretty good, but let me know, what do you think in the comments? I hope that you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, turn your notification bell on so you will be notified when new content drops. I thank you so much for watching. Until next time. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.